The first thing we're gonna need is our trays. Here in front of me, I have 3 trays, one no-hole 10-20, one mesh 10-20, and then another no-hole 10-20. These 2 we're just gonna set aside for now. Next, we're gonna grab our mediums. Today, I'm gonna be testing out the silicone medium that we sell. This one's nice and soft, you can flex it, it's easy to touch and everything. We're just gonna set that into here. Next is our steel medium. This one's a lot more durable and doesn't have as much flex. In fact, whenever you flex it, you have to be careful or it will fold over completely and then you gotta work it back in. So now these are both in the tray. So first thing I wanna do is mix this with some water to help the seeds from bouncing. Now I'm gonna seed each tray with 25 grams of Red Acre cabbage. Time to water them again. Now we're gonna take those trays we set aside, put them on top like that. Put a brick on top and place this on our shelf. From this point forward, I'm gonna water 1 to 2 times a day. Day 2. What I'm noticing so far is on this right-hand tray, the silicone, we are seeing a few of these starting to germinate here throughout the tray. On the stainless steel, it looks like it's just a little bit behind compared to the silicone, but they're still very close. So let's go ahead and get them watered. Day 3. Day 4. Day 5. Day 6. Day 7. Day 8, Red Acre cabbage. Day 11, silicone. Stainless steel. Day 11, harvest day. One thing to notice about the stainless steel is we do have a dip right here compared to this one that is really flat.